If you're serious about leveling up your YouTube game, there's a tool that every big YouTuber swears by, including the legendary Mr. Beast. It's called VidIQ, and today, I'll show you how you can use this powerful tool to elevate your channel. I will include a link in the description and pinned comments, so you can try it for free. One of the key features of VidIQ is its robust keyword research capability. Navigate to the keyword section, and you'll open up a world of possibilities. Here's a pro tip. Pair VidIQ with Google Trends for your faceless channel, or adapt it for other niches. For instance, if you're targeting the US audience, check out the Trending Now section on Google Trends. It'll provide you with real-time, trending keywords. Now, let's say you want to validate these trending keywords. That's where VidIQ comes in. Head over to the keyword section, input your chosen keywords, and VidIQ will provide insights on search volume and competition. This is my go-to method for generating ideas for YouTube videos. For instance, if you're thinking of creating a video on the best way to make money online, simply type it in. VidIQ will tell you if it's worth pursuing based on metrics like search volume and competition. It's like having a crystal ball for your YouTube success. In my case, I discovered that creating a video on this topic might not be the best move, as the search volume is mediocre and the competition is moderate. VidIQ helps me make informed decisions about my content strategy, ensuring that I invest my time where it truly matters. This is just a sneak peek into how VidIQ can revolutionize your keyword research game on YouTube, but there are other awesome features that you really need to try for yourself. Click the link below so you can use VidIQ for free, and you'll be amazed of how it can level up your YouTube channel. Now, let's go back to the video. If you find this video helpful and want to see more awesome content from us, hit that subscribe button and give us a big thumbs up by clicking like. Your support goes a long way in helping us reach more people and provide even more value to you. Plus, here's a fun twist. Drop a comment saying I subscribed, and you'll get a special shout out in our next video. It's our way of saying thank you for being part of our awesome community. A big, exciting shout out to these incredible individuals who hit the subscribe button after watching our last video. You're amazing, and we are super happy to have you as part of the Earn Smart fam. If you've made it this far, we've got something special for you today. We're giving away 100% free high-quality YouTube thumbnails and templates to supercharge your channel. Just hit the link in the description or pinned comments for the download link. Thanks for being part of our growing community. But wait! To supercharge your YouTube growth, I've got an exciting tip for you in my next video. Click and watch this next and start making money online today. Hit that subscribe button, and let's embark on your journey to financial success. Thanks for watching.